好，上堂啦！歡迎大家，今日就嚟到我哋 Form 6英文啦，10月份嘅第一堂，歡迎大家繼續上堂啦。今日派新筆記俾大家嘅，咁樣樣啦，就檢收一下、檢查一下啦，咁就會有呢一份記住筆記啦。入邊一樣啦，大家見到夾咗好厚嘅東西。首先第一咧，就有呢個五星星範文集，咁大家就同我揭一揭啦。呢個五星星好厚啊，嗱，成份啊，真係不惜公款啊，大佬。就係咧，我哋望一望啦，呢份五星星範文集科嚟到咧，就會係我哋20乜嘢啊？2020年見到第一版打開，係咪啊？2020年嘅 Level 5嘅 example 大家有齊晒喺齊度噶啦，好冇？咁一樣啦，都係嗰句説話噶啦。正常上堂我就唔會同你睇嘅啦，因為我本身筆記自己都已經有一啲即係發到俾大家嘅。咁呢啲全部都有啲額外嘅即係參考嘅 materials 啦。咁都係嗰句説話啦。考評局認證 Level 5嘅學生嘅作品，即係唔係我作，係考評局認證。咁最換言之，絕對大家都係值得拎嚟去自己睇屋企睇，自己去做一個嘅即係參考，知唔知啦？OK，咁然之後就呢個2020年啦，咁然之後咧就會有呢一份 mock test 啊，mock test 58一樣啦，都係出版社嘅試卷嚟嘅。咁啊成 set 啦，俾晒大家 part A、B1、B2 喺齊晒度啦，不過就冇答案嘅一樣啦。Form 6嘅 mock paper 係全部都冇答案嘅，逼你哋真係做完之後問我攞答案。OK，咁所以我成日都講邊個有做邊個冇做，其實我一睇就知啦，因為你有做你就問我攞答案㗎嘛，係咪？好啦，再嚟第三份啦。第三份就係小天書，咁啊一樣啦。各位由10月份開始啦，我之前都講過啦，7、8、9月就未開始派嘅。10月份開始每一期我哋都會有個嘅小天書派俾大家，唔同嘅主題嘅。例如今個月呢一份，大家見到咧就會係 writing 卷高頻生字庫，記唔記到？OK，咁一樣啦，就俾自己睇翻，其實全部都有啲咧，即係中英對照嘅生字，跟住然之後最好嘅甚至乎係乜嘢咧？有埋例句俾大家，咁我相信咧，大家都知道啦，學英文咁多年，齋睇生字意思咧，中英對照咧，唔係最大嘅得益，即係嗰個效能唔係最大，一定永遠要睇例句先知道嗰個句子點樣用，個生字點樣放入去用，OK？咁換言之，你哋可以好簡單做個參考，就係望完個例句之後，自己試下，我識唔識得作一個類似嘅東西出嚟咧？或者你作完之後，就睇翻呢個例句參考啦。咦，我嘅句子同你嘅句子個形態相唔相似咧？係嘛？如果相似，就即是啱咗噶啦，明唔明白啊？咁一樣啦，大家自己睇翻呢個位置，後面仲有啲嘅 common words collocation 之類，係嘛？之類我成日都講啦，呢啲你望下第13頁啦，全版13頁，見唔見到呢度？之例如啦，problems 呢個字係嘛？喂，problems 呢個字原來係可以點樣配啊？哇，造成、面對、處理、舒緩、解決。係咪啊？中間再配嚴重棘手身體心理情緒，啱唔啱啊？好似一個嘅即係bingo 串燒，明唔明白我講乜？OK，咁全本唔使囉嗦啦，各位俾心機，有心攞好英文公開試成績嘅，真係嘅，全份都妥溫晒落去你個腦袋度啦，好冇？每個禮拜自己睇，每個禮拜自己溫，今朝咧直情係點樣咧？搭車都嚟睇。真係嘅，搭車唔好去睇手機，唔好耷低頭，直情攞嚟望多兩眼，知唔知道？OK，好，咁然後啦，就呢個機會睇佢啦，10月份派俾大家嘅東西啦。好啦，咁我攞翻我哋主筆記出嚟啦，各位主筆記呢個位置，今個月你會見到咧，其實我就係幾樣嘢同大家做嘅，paper 1、2、3都做齊晒嘅，記唔記到啊？OK，咁然之後亦都係會有啲嘅即係作文嘅重點一啲範文嘅示範啦，都係有齊晒喺度噶啦，好唔好？好，咁事不宜遲，即刻開始翻啦，各位，我哋又嚟啦嚇。今日首先打開筆記去到我哋嘅第一版先，一早準備咗俾大家噶啦。好，今日嘅大家呢個都係啦，Level 5嘅句型嚟嘅，唔係講笑。Level 5嘅句型係乜嘢咧？中文就叫做就算不是 A 也是 B，就算唔係 A 都係 B 噶啦。好，咁呢個其實純粹係一個咧句子上面嘅程度上，聽清楚我講，程度上嘅一個所謂嘅少少嘅即係鋪墊啦，係嘛？好簡單講句，全班成日都話，即係成日都有呢個嘅比例嘅啦，比例嘅咩例句嘅啦，係嘛？OK，今次考試滿分100分啊嘛，100分滿分係嘛？喂，我哋做一個好學生嘅，就算唔攞100分都攞幾多分啊？至少攞幾多分啊？我哋99啦，係嘛？小學生嘅時候會啦，大家知道，中學生仲有冇呢支歌仔唱啊？冇啦，係嘛？咁我俾你哋嘅祝福啦，好冇？英文科就算攞唔到個5啊，都最少攞咩啊？即係最後都係5啊，哇，好有個大字。就算唔係5都係5啊，係咪？OK，就算唔係5都4啦，最少好冇？俾目標嗱，記住目標，你冇人目標得3嘅，講得錯都喺呢一班度，一定目標4，最好攞到5，攞到星嘅，我成日都講全班攞到星嘅係當 bonus 㗎啦，知唔知道啊？我講真嘅喎， 英文咁叻嘅人都唔可以講話自己攞下五星星嘅，即係除咗我啦嚇。OK，點解咧？因為我意思係以學生嘅程度咧，講真，五星星同五星甚至乎同五嘅，其實可能大家水平真係差唔多，只不過係可能捉到去臨場發揮嗰下，或者咁啱你嘅組員令到你嘅影響，或者當日當天你咁啱嘅題目，你嘅發揮適唔適合你嘅啫，明唔明啦？所以五星星、五星同五其實大家唔好以為係差好遠，其實差好少嘅啫，知唔知啦？OK，所以我就話啦，全班就算唔係五啊，都係咩啊？都四啦，驚唔到？好啦，大家我哋望下個句法全班，英文係寫咗咩先㗎？中文就話就算不是 A 也是 B，但係英文我哋係 B 咗先，if not A 嘅，記唔記到？OK，咁你其實一定 get 到嘅，因為 if not 就係就算不是啊嘛，係嘛？照字面意思啦，OK。好啦，咁嚟啦喎，各位，呢度望一望個中文先，呢度啦，又係真係同大家即係溫書考試有關聯嘅嚇。如果你淨係靠死記硬背嘅話咧，其實咧你係要喺公開試攞到高分咧，就算簡單啦，就算不是不可能，也是乜嘢嘢啊？也是極其困難嘅。咁即係換言之就係頭先，有冇 Zoom link 㗎？係個學生，等陣啊，你哋間住先，全班，就算不是，也是極其困難。等陣啊，等。Zoom link 中國學咩人想 Zoom？中六嘅 Zoom link 有嘅。好，你哋寫間咗未？間咗抄住先，我要俾呢個同學寫個 Zoom link，好唔好？好，抄住先啊，我陣再解釋。Sorry，咩？開始。揾咗先，Zoom。好 send 咗。係啦，嗱，即使不是 A，也是 B，極其困難，睇唔到大家？OK。好啦，咁就it would be 咩咧？It would be extremely。我哋唔好淨係用 extremely 啦，我哋再用個同義詞叫做咩啊？叫做 exceedingly，係嘛？又多個變化啦。difficult if not impossible，嗱，就算不是不可能，都係好困難㗎啦，係咪啊？To become a high achiever 就係講緊咧，我哋呢一個嘅所謂即係優秀啦，係咪啊？成績高分嘅狀元啦，係咪？In public exams。If you only rely on rote learning， 嗱，最難就呢個字啦，各位，死記硬背英文叫做 rote learning，R-O-T-E 嚇。嗱，好老實講，大家都經歷過小學雞嘅階段，甚至乎初中嘅階段，死記硬背咧唔係冇得益嘅，都有得益。小學嘅時候嘛，死記硬背講真，你攞到好高分啦。但係大家都知道，去到高中 DSE 嘅時候，真係啦，齋靠死記硬背攞唔攞到好嘅分數㗎？唔得㗎，好多時候都要你分析消化㗎嘛，係咪啊？唔好講得遠啦，就講翻英文為例，好唔好啊？英文作文我成日都同大家講㗎，可以背啲乜嘢入去考試啊？作文嘅話，vocab 仲有咧，就點樣可以背啊？係啦，句式咯，好似今堂咪教大家 instant 咯。但係講到底，你都要視乎翻條題目嘅咩去作解個內容㗎嘛，係咪先啊？所以齋靠死記硬背嘅話咧，即係唔係唔幫到手，幫到手，但係都要靠自己嘅內容咯，係咪啊？OK，好，呢個你個寫完未？全班有冇有問先？明啦嘛，暫時 if not 乜乜乜嗰個位置，好啦，即刻問大家啦。咁如果根據呢個結構嘅話，你哋同我即刻分析一下，知唔知道其實 A 同 B 咧兩個位置嘅嗰個所謂嘅詞語個意思咧個程度邊個高邊個低啲啊？一定係用翻頭先考試嘅定律啦。就算唔係100分都幾多分？我哋99啦，即係邊個高啲啊？應該要係 A 高啲，冇錯，就係呢個全班，永遠都係呢度噶，唔係低 B 啊，係低 D 啊嚇，各位。喂，hello，攞筆記，呢度，唔好行住，唔好行住，唔好行住，係啦，攞筆記先。小份攞埋未啊？細嗰份，係坐低，歡迎你。我都諗你唔明話喂咁嘅你啊。好啦，寫低佢啦，低 D，低啲係 B，if not A，A 係程度高啲，知唔知道？ OK，好啦，咁我嚟問問大家試一試啦嚇。如果我當啦，如果低啲嗰個係 good 嘅話，咁 good 嘅話，if not 就要用啲咩嘢啊？即係嗱 good 啊，我當 B 係 good 個位，if not 咁 A 要放咩落去？The best yes 1分。我特登用咗個新嘅嗰個布幕啊，遮唔遮到啊？定都睇到啊？其實，誒你班人真係好鬼無恥，岌頭嘅咗喺度。好啦，咁而家我哋再嚟啦。如果我哋下一個係excellent 啦，excellent quality 都好優質啦，大佬係咪啊？咁如果我要真係再程度高啲係乜嘢啊？咁即係例如我話嗰個服務我當啦，係嘛？哇！我哋去呢個餐廳酒店服務就係 excellent quality 啦，if not 咩嘢好啊咁做？Perfect yes good 聽到，就算唔係完美都優質到不得了啦，係咪？各位新同學今日加入，hello，但係之前叫你嘅咯，其實係咪啊？冇記錯，咦？我有啲印象喎。係咪你阿哥就係、哦，hello，歡迎你，記得啦。你阿哥好嘛？而家讀係咪 year two 啊？定 three 啦？two 係科大定咩啊？中大係咯，OK 嘛佢。好，哦，佢叫阿 King 啊嘛，係咪啊？哇，我真係印象真係好，咁都仲記得佢。佢記唔記得我啊？請問佢記唔記得我？記得㗎嘛？嗱，各位示範啦。佢阿哥啊，當然個 level 幾啊？四定五啊？四啊！當年佢個 level four 好勤力㗎。我嘅意思係咩啊？佢有個真，我唔係講笑，你可以問翻佢。佢有個真係好勤力，交文啊嗰啲咧，交得好足㗎。但係可惜最後就係頭先我所講啦。你始終都要睇臨場發揮㗎嘛。睇下當年嘅題目啊，睇下當年嘅嗰啲試卷啊，都係 level four。所以我意思就係俾大家乜嘢咧？就係、人哋勤力都係 level four 嘅，你哋冇得唔勤力㗎啦，知唔知啊？好啦，再嚟下一個啦。Most 咧，most 就容易啦，大佬啊。如果 most 嘅話，if not 定係咩嘢咁係？大部分就對咩嘢？all 冇錯。好啦，最後一個啦，most 對 all 啦。最後一個講緊嗰啲嘅考生啊，哇，即係成千個考生啊。if not 乜嘢咁？如果係即係如果左邊係 hundreds of 嘅話，過百個考生；if not 就係乜嘢嘢咁？過千咯，係咪 thousands of 咯，係嘛？OK，嗱，點解要俾呢四個例子大家咧？其實就係想話俾你知，唔使諗啦，各位同我背咗呢四個句啦，直接你考試嘅時候就用翻出嚟就得噶啦，知唔知啊？OK，好啦，跟住然後再嚟啦，下面呢個例句，各位，哇，喺講咁耐，原來都係講我自己喎。Eric 絕對係一個優秀嘅，就算唔係完美嘅英語導師，為學生提供優質嘅教學。首先，大家答我一個問題先。請問呢個例句係 true、false、not given 先？唔答係咪？唔答我就嬲噶啦喎，唔得就走人噶啦喎。林靜毅應該係乜嘢啊？True 係啦。事件一咧，唔係，喂，等陣先。咩叫啱啲唔啱啲先？答我邊 part 唔啱先？而家你講清楚，講解釋，唔得啦係嘛？哇衰人。好，呢句自己寫2分鐘，我落嚟檢查。嗱，我落嚟檢查下，即場檢查，同你講一個二個，你哋真係想死係嘛？同埋今日要話書，你記得個嗬，唔好扮唔記得喎。阿妹，你寫翻你個名先。好，咁小心。咁有歌叫黃咩啊？中文係黃嗰成係嘛？我哋而家叫阿傾，因為佢交文嘅時候叫阿傾。我幫大家點名先。喂，喂，你啲 Zoom 嘅同學，你哋係有筆記未㗎？其實我想問陳素晴啊、徐德希啊、譚家豪。因為如果你冇筆記嘅話，其實你齋睇嘅啫，今堂都係啊。 1分鐘。好，落嚟吸印仔俾大家啦。嗱，我買咗印仔咧，本來就係吸俾啲初中同學嘅，估唔到而家中六都要吸俾你哋啦。有2個印仔你哋選擇，一個印仔係星星，一個印仔係個屎。咁你哋想揀咩？睇下你哋做乜，我決定俾咩印仔你哋噶啦嚇。嚟噶啦喎！唔錯嘅，不過通常咧，我哋呢個位咧，亦都係直接冚翻落去黐住嗰嚿嘅，即係例如你 accident if not 要黐住 if not 即係呢一個你直接點講啊？唔好翻去前面，俾你哋係啦。好 accident 落嚟嘅啦。喂，作都唔作，紙嚟嘅喎，俾你嘅咯喎嚇。點解出嚟咩？都係咁樣嘅，即係Montgomery咧先至係優秀 ，if not 就係完美，即係 if not 即係少咗少嘛，即係 if not 嗰個位置係 perfect 咯，一定係因為咯。點解寫啲咩出嚟？睇下。absolute 係女啊，好似 absolutely 點算？你讀下先，你讀 absolutely 點拼啊？應該 X 喂，全班同學仔啊，喂，唔好令我失望好喎。excellent 點讀呢個字啊 ？at 啊嘛，咁 R 定 N 啊？所以用 N 噶嘛，係咪啊？咁幾個人嗌嘅可以今日睇到已經即刻啊？你點啊？喂，唔係咁樣喎，而家係用呢個形容詞形容 Eric 呢個人喎，即係直情係 Eric is 一個點樣嘅 tutor 喎。你講埋你個形容詞點擺位啊？你啊，作緊要作嘅咩？喂，夾佢咗而家係咩作啊？喂，嗱呢個人真係搞唔掂啊！屎啊，唔掂啊！作喎，唔使作嘅喎，仔你直接譯就得嘅咯喎。喂，好啦，Zoom 嘅同學仔唔好有咁嘅揸流攤啊嚇，Zoom 嘅都要作㗎嚇，OK。好啦，咁嚟啦，開估啦，各位記住，我唔係喺度玩，唔係喺度嘥時間嘅，我係真係想即刻睇下大家究竟識唔識寫，就係發現咗原來就真係有同學仔唔識咯。好啦，再重複多次全班呢個句法之下，咁樣嘅鋪排一定要係乜嘢咧？一定係要直接用呢個形容詞而用 Eric is 一個點樣嘅 tutor。就唔係話佢提供嘅咩教學係 excellent 咧，唔係啊，係講緊呢個形容詞形容緊 Eric 㗎。咁而頭先講咗啦，佢係一個乜嘢話？優秀，即使不是完美啊嘛。喂，老實講，我都話埋俾你聽啦，即使不是完美，咁之一定係 if not 乜嘢啊？俾埋大家啦 ，perfect 咯。咁唯一你哋要可以喺前面自己有一個嘅諗嘅就係咩咧？優秀用咩字啊？你唔諗嘅又用翻乜嘢啊？咁係 excellent，咪係咯。但係最緊要知道嘅係乜嘢？頭先我就係見到有同學仔錯咗嘅，聽清楚。excellent 都用 and 啦，係咪唔使講啦？但係我想提大家嘅就係 excellent 同 if not perfect 呢個位置一定係要黐埋一齊寫嘅。即係換言之，你唔可以你唔可以寫完成個句子後邊無啦啦先同我放翻 if not perfect，唔得，用得呢個一定要黐埋一齊出。全班明唔明我講乜？所以啦，睇下呢個例句，全班嚟啦。Eric is definitely an excellent，嗱就係呢個位啦。你係一定要寫咗 is definitely an excellent，即刻黐住 if not perfect。你唔可以話係 excellent English tutor in Hong Kong if not perfect，咁就唔得啦，明唔明白？然後後面逗號咧係 providing 嘅，咁我呢個其實句法咧，我由中四五開始已經灌輸俾大家噶啦，記唔記得啊？逗號 ing 啊嘛，講都講過幾廿次啦呢個口訣。逗號 ing 就係描述翻、補充翻前面嘅，例如嗰個人做嘅嘢啦，或者嗰件事情嘅結果啦。咁無論點都，我今次都啱噶啦，係咪啊？總之個句法上係逗號 providing quality teaching to local students。優質嘅教學 quality teaching，大家有可能唔識嘅，好簡單，記住呢度個 quality 其實你簡單啲諗，你當佢一個形容詞咁記就得㗎啦。 即係有質素得咁樣諗咯，知唔知啦？所以 quality teaching、quality service、quality 乜乜乜就得㗎啦，OK？嗯，好，寫晒未？絕對英文頭先係循咗 round 嚟，就見到幾個同學仔寫唔同生字嘅。頭先第一啦，你識串翻未啊？同字有 absolutely 點串啊？A B 係啦，absolute 啊嘛，係咪啊？OK，咁然後亦都有見到有同學寫咧，就係、例如寫exactly 咁樣嘅，exactly 唔得啊，全部 exactly 係揀乜嘢嘢啊？係啦，準確地嘅，OK，呢個係解作絕對，所以係唔得嘅，OK。好，今堂呢個位置教完，有冇問題？全班明啦嘛？OK。好，如果真係唔明嘅，翻屋企自己寫多一兩句 WhatsApp 問我，好冇？好啦，咁我哋即刻嚟到下一道位置，就同大家嗱，今份筆記咧，我就用咗個新嘅採取嘅措施嘅。咩叫採取嘅措施咧？大家如果記得嘅話咧，上個月同上兩個月嘅時候咧，我喺呢個嘅實用句子結構嘅位置咧，我係俾咗中文，然後大家不斷抄英文噶嘛，係咪？抄有抄嘅好處，但不過由於我哋而家開始踏入10月啦，時間唔係好夠，我直接印俾大家。嗱，印俾大家唔代表你哋唔使認真聽啊，你哋都要聽，都要去知道個句法，同埋要有啲補充寫低嘅，好冇？好啦，即係例如第一個今日俾大家見到中文叫做但這並不是說，就係嗰個句法啦。OK，首先留翻低佢啦，呢個作用係乜嘢咧？係帶出相反意思。同埋有個警惕嘅作用。嗱，紅色筆係你哋冇㗎，我相信筆記係咪啊？嗯，揾到呢版未？你哋即係第5頁啊，係咪你哋第5頁啦？係啦，記住啦。但這並不是説，OK，好啦，咁嚟睇下中英對照啦，各位呢個位置直接嚟咯噃，OK，對翻我哋嗰個嘅熒光筆同埋顏色筆啦。But this is not to say，就係今日教大家嘅句式啦，呢度實用句子。But this is not to say，就但即係照字面意思啦。咁咧，我哋就攞嚟帶出一個警惕作用啦，同埋帶出相反意思。例如啦，undoubtedly 毫無疑問啦，technological advancement has increased a life expectancy。學生字啦，藍色筆見唔到我特登用翻藍色對照啊，係咪啊？life expectancy 同義詞寫咧，佢都要 lifespan 同義詞嚟嘅，等於 lifespan 就係代表我哋嘅預期壽命。咁呢個大家都知道啦，係嘛？隨着科技進步，人類壽命越嚟越長噶嘛，係咪先？OK，咁隨住人類壽命越嚟越長嘅話，所以亦都有衍生出世界各地有個嘅社會現象就係乜嘢啊？人口乜嘢嘢啊？人口啲人壽命長咗啊嘛，老化咯，係咪啊？Aging problem 有冇聽過？OK，好啦，but this is not to say we are immune from diseases。immune from 係解作免疫，聽過未？係啦，免疫 immune from diseases。好啦，rather 綠色筆相反係咪？嗱，先講咗，通常係帶出相反噶嘛，而家係咪啊？rather 逗號得嘅啦，一個字得㗎啦，逗號相反啦。It is of paramount importance for us。嗱，好正呢個，全部寫一句。It is of paramount significance，或者 it is of paramount importance。呢一個句法就係中文下面見唔見到粉紅色筆，叫做至關重要，係咪啊？至關重要嘅就咩嘢咧？For us to maintain，記住個結構喎，全班見唔見到粉紅色筆加埋個 to 字㗎？嗱，如果你想講對我哋嘅話，你可以寫埋 for us。你唔用對嘅話，你就咁of paramount importance to 都得嘅，明唔明先？可以加 for us，唔加直接跟 to 又得，係咪佬？To 乜嘢？To maintain balanced diets and do enough exercise，要去保持均衡飲食啦，同埋做足夠嘅運動，都係至關重要。呢一個位全班明唔明我講乜嘢？暫時明啊嘛，係咪？OK，好，咁記住啦。作文頭先啱啱講咗，聽到最後一次作文，你哋可以下次照抄嘅就係呢句。But this is not to say，其實係攞嚟帶出乜嘢咧？就係嗱個意思上面，你先講咗例如一樣嘢 A 咁樣啦，然後就提大家啦。嗱，但係唔好誤會喎，我唔係話記唔記得嗰個説話嘅一個鋪排啊，又係啱唔啱啊？俾人哋聽落去嘅話，就會覺得你嘅作文係相對上點樣啦？你哋真係有條理嘅，係咪啊？OK，好啦，第二個呢個又係啦，考過無數次啦，全班揀低佢啦，不能乜嘢，更不用説乜嘢。嗱，先嚟記後半字，全班更不用説聽過未？Let alone 呢個用法，我記得中四五都教過一次啦，係咪啊？嗱，唔係講笑話，reading 卷考過幾年啊？reading 卷考過幾年就係 let alone 其實 let alone 全班入到唔該係解作更不用説。OK， 好啦，一齊嚟啦。句法係紅色筆 is unable to 一個動作 ，let alone 第二個動作，又係啦。睇唔睇得到個句子個鋪排嗰個層次性啊？大家你 A 都做唔到啊！嗱，用翻頭先我哋嗰個嘅考試例子啦，你99分都攞唔到啦，更不用唔識播望啦。等先，有咩掣啊 ？No 啊，OK， 係啦，你99分都攞唔到啦 ，let alone 乜嘢嘢咁樣，其實係啦，嗱，又係句子寫作嘅鋪排層遞，大家分唔分到 ？OK， 所以你哋記住，信我用呢個位置。即係完整咁用嘅話咧，就先寫一個人 is unable to 乜嘢嘢先，好冇？例如 the government in Iraq 係伊拉克啦，大家聽過啦，係咪 ？is unable to maintain law and order， 記住啦，maintain law and order 就係維持法律與秩序。通常一用得呢個片語都係講緊政府噶啦吓 OK， 好啦 let alone 後面見唔見到都係用翻 based on 嘅動詞 and hence， 因為點解？因為前面係用咗都係。maintain 個位置冇變啊，冇變咯，係啦。Let alone enhance economic development and 哇五星星字啊，上次答過你哋係咪啊 ？Ameliorate 全班有冇印象 ？Ameliorate Iraqis living living standard， 即係伊拉克人民嘅生活水準啦。OK， 咁嗱，老實講呢個例句咧，你哋就唔需要真係記個內容嘅。我相信你考 DSE 都唔會問你伊拉克政府啊，唔會問你巴基斯坦、你巴勒斯坦打仗，唔會問你係巴咩啊？打仗嗰個係。巴基巴拿巴勒斯坦係啦，唔會問呢啲嘅，但係起碼你要識得用嘅就係 is unable to 同 let alone 得唔得？好，有冇問題呢個？同埋 improve 同義詞，大家跟到啦嘛 ？OK， 好，今日即係暫時 language 嘅部分就係溫呢幾樣嘢啦，翻屋企今日好冇？好啦，咁我哋之後咧就即刻再去行我哋嘅主課題啦。好啦，咁呢個位置咧同大家嚟啦 Page 3 咧，我哋咧就係、我成日都講啦，全年嚟講我哋唔會教多，教一兩次嘅啫，教完一兩次我哋就唔做啦。好啦，咁我哋今次咧會同大家嘅 focus 喺邊度咧 ？focus 喺就係我哋 task 2 and 3一啲填充題，一啲即係唔係長環線啊，係一啲填格仔填充題嗰啲位置。好啦，咁對於大家成個嘅考試嘅流程預告一下先。OK，嗱，真係啦，全年又係啦，講一次嘅啫，唔再講啦，之後都係 OK。首先第一部分，大家應該知道，嗱我當啦，收到份試卷啦，打開份卷，考評局係會叫大家首先有一個步驟做乜嘢咧？就係咧佢啦，係會叫你哋咧黐 label 嘅。你哋知唔知道先冇講過㗎？定唔識呢一樣嘢㗎？你哋示範，我認真㗎，全班聽住，試卷喺度啦。咁嗰個嘅考評局咧，個考官就企上台㗎嘛，然後同大家講，而家檢查你哋試卷有冇印漏印錯，好嘛？幾期冇印錯咯喎，好啦，跟住而家就會叫大家全場人一齊嘅攞張 barcode label 出嚟。嗱，你哋知 barcode label 唔可以放上網㗎喎，你知有一影嘅就點樣㗎啦？一影就明年再見㗎啦喎，我哋知唔知道啊？OK， 好啦，咁然之後佢就同你講，請貼 barcode label 喺，例如我冇記錯啊，好似唔知係1、3、5咁先算啦，咁你就攞咯喎，第一版貼，跟住揭開，第三版逐版嚟嘅，唔使急，冇人催你嘅，好充裕時間嘅，因為真係有啲人手忙腳亂啊，一人比較笨拙噶嘛，係咪啊 ？OK， 慢慢搣，慢慢貼，重點就嚟啦，全班，咩叫慢慢貼啊？知唔知道？慢慢貼嘅姿勢點啊？打開份卷之後點做啊？望下先，係嘛？慢慢望，好啦，嗱，包括呢個喺度係嘛？包括先叫呢個位，包括呢個位。貼嗰下望下份卷先，所以咧大家全部都同我簡單噶啦。其實你係貼barcode label 嘅時候，同時偷睇 situation 噶啦，已經係要。唔係啊，唔會有，唔係罪嚟㗎，全班真係唔係罪嚟嘅。點解？喂，咁你黐呢本係咪即係打開嚟黐先？咁你隻眼係咪真係可以周圍望先？佢話唔俾，可唔可以話look at the barcode label only 啊，do not read other things 啊？佢唔會咁樣講嘢噶嘛，明唔明白？所以你係我夠膽講，你係攞正牌去睇 situation， 知唔知道 OK， 好啦，咁然之後啦，我冇記錯咧，要貼3個 label 嘅，咁你哋自己將計就計啦嚇。總言之，慢慢貼，望查兩下，慢慢貼，你冇一嘢爬佢條路，慢慢攬晒，仔細咁貼。跟住第二版就貼住其實自己睇完個 situation 㗎啦，知唔知啦 ？OK， 好啦，睇完 situation 之後，大家都知道啦，下面啲數字唔得等點樣睇啦。我上次我俾大家知道嘅就係、你哋要知嘅係 listening 播個聲帶之前一開波係會有2分鐘時間，大家記唔記得睇成份卷審題啊嘛？2分鐘完咗之後，唔係即刻就做 task one 嘅，點解？因為播 task one 之前又會點樣㗎？又有啲時間，又係俾你審題㗎嘛，記唔記得？總言之，一句到底，全班直接嚟到我哋下面第6㗎，係啊，去到第6㗎啦，就係 grab every second to read the questions。唔該，真係嘅，尤其是 task 3、4呢個位置，要真係睇得仔細少少，諗一諗究竟佢問啲乜嘢啦，有啲咩 grammar 注意啦，係咪？咁我俾一個嘅又係啦，審題嘅模式嗰個嘅口訣大家，記住逢真做 listening 審題咧，我哋一定要問自己3個英文字母嘅，就叫 WTF。你哋最中意3個字啦，OK？咁啊 WTF 分別代表咩嘢咧？寫低佢啦，全班就係 what、tense 同埋 format。唔係你心諗嗰個嚇，我雖然知你哋到時個心裏係 what 㗎啦，心裏面係咁樣諗啫，但係冷靜係咪啊？都係要考試。好啦，what 係內容，tense 係文法，format 係格式。每一版每一個 task 都問自己呢3樣嘢就得㗎啦，清唔清晰？What、tense、format。好啦，然後下面嚟啦，呢度記住橫線第7啦，橫線長度嘅基本上係可以預測到答案嘅長度嘅，呢個真係一定啱嘅，全班記住啦。咁即係例如你見到你份筆記嗰個括弧個位啦，見唔見到？即係你哋筆記都係㗎，括弧呢個位置呢個闊度，大家記住呢個闊度代表你嘅答案咧，通常係2頂多3個字，你唔好同我填5個字落去咯，明唔明白呢個意思？OK？好啦，然後特別再嚟啦，要留意嘅就係留意啲咩嘢咧？留意 question heading，question heading 即係等於大楷字、粗體字。OK，大楷字、粗體字。好啦，咁你哋注意嘅咩嘢啊？好簡單講句，例如你見到個字個 question heading 叫 reasons 嘅，係咪啊？咁即刻知道啦。哦，留意嘅或者要攞嘅答案係咩啊？原因。哦，原因嘅，你特別聽下啦。例如 because 啊、why 啊、reason is 呢啲字啦，係咪啊？OK，同樣道理啦。如果例如個標題係 characteristics 嘅，即係特徵啊嘛，寫低佢特徵。好啦，咁你問下自己啦。如果你明知要聽特徵嘅話，即係我哋喺個聲帶嗰度啊，你聽到啲咩字翻嚟係代表個特徵啊？有啲咩字係代表佢描述個特徵啊？例如 it is 咯，it has 咯，係嘛？咁就代表佢啲嘅特徵有啲咩 features 啦。好啦，再嚟 requirements 啊，requirements 係要求啊嘛，係咪？咁又係啦，問下自己有啲咩字你見到就等於係講啲要求嘅東西啊？例如 it requires 啦，係咪啊？或者乜嘢 is needed 咯？如此類推啦。咁其實都係一啲乜嘢咧？都係嗰句，都係幫緊大家審題嘅時候，俾你自己個大腦嘅一啲嘅所謂嘅即係準備功夫，俾自己大腦裏面咧運行一下先，準備定先。好啦，跟住下一 part 好緊要啦，各位就係 keywords 嘅重要性。考 listening 裏面咧，知唔知 keywords 嘅重要性係乜嘢嘢啊？聽清楚全班。keywords 嘅重要性俾大家就係知道乜嘢咧？就係你喺份試卷裏面係會見到同一個字眼出現，或者見到一啲相似嘅字眼出現。見到就代表乜嘢咧？揀低佢就見到代表咩咧？就係會 identify 到條問題係講緊啲，即係你就會知道究竟而家條問題係講緊邊一個位置啦。揀低佢啦。Identify which question is talking about，係咪到？Which question is talking about？好啦，兩個形態嘅，如果係 exact wording 嘅話，就通常 task 1、2好容易，你見到一模一樣嘅字啦。但通常比較難少少嘅就係乜嘢咧？就係博你哋聽唔到 miss 咗啦，或者博你哋唔識個字啦。就 task 3、4難啲嘅就會係乜嘢咧？就係用一啲 related 嘅字啦，或者一啲近義詞嘅字眼啦，係嘛？咁啊，考得出嚟最大嘅一個恐懼就係咩啊？咦，講到呢題嗱，我唔知嘅，係啊，因為佢用咗一個近義詞，你咪唔知咯，係咪啊？OK，好啦，咁嚟啦，各位呢度嗱又偷睇啦，我知道你哋吓，OK，我都唔囉嗦啦。dislike 有啲咩嘅同義詞啊？例如 don't like。hate。 遮住先。嗯，最上面做咩？呢度即係 task 1 2同3 4分別啫嘛，容易同難嘅分別啫嘛。嗯，好啦，咁第二個字咧，第二個字 number of 我哋可以用啲咩？我哋可以有啲咩字係啦，刪晒啲 number of 我哋可以有啲咩同義詞啊？各位問你個數字數量嘅話，聽唔到 quantity 可以，仲有即係嚟問你有幾多啫嘛？咁你會用咩字問你啊？How many, how much 啦。再嚟，如果問你個次數咧，頻繁咧，frequency 係啦，OK 寫得佢啦。OK 好，咁然後再嚟啦，下面嗰個 damage 咧，damage 有咩同義詞啊？又係啦，份試卷裏面出 damage，但係佢錄音帶可以用咩字啊？前一 ruin，仲有咧，都係 D 字頭嘅喎。嗱，真啲 dev 太難啦，唔需要用到咁難 devastate 嘅，用易啲嘅字 destroy 係啦，仲有一個損害 harm 係啦。咁再嚟一個啦，叫 concerned about 關注啊嘛，擔心啊嘛，咁又係啦，可能個聲帶用咩字啊？worried about 係啦，see 全部都係咩咧？全部都係其實係可以播之前預計到嘅，明唔明白？播之前預計到嘅，咁例如呢啲又係啦，email 你會聽到嘅係咩字啊？send to email addresses 係咪啊？example such as like 呢啲係咪啊？OK 好啦，再嚟一樣嘢啦，大家記住簡單佢啦。Keywords 嘅其中一個重要性就係咧，假如你咁不幸你 miss 咗一題答案嘅話，你記住全班 let it go，歌就嚟唱啦，係咪先啊？Let it go，OK？咁代表住乜嘢啊？代表住就係你 miss 咗一題嘅話，其實唔使緊張㗎，你對眼睛即刻望望邊度啊？知唔知道？望下一題、下兩題答案嘅 keywords，因為你望下一兩題 keywords 嘅話，你就可以報翻下面嘅題目出現答案，就不至於乜嘢啊，以免乜嘢發生啊，就係睇佢啦，骨牌效應，你明我意思啊？嗬，係嘛？miss 咗第二條唔緊要啊，你唔好 miss 埋3、4、5題咯，聽唔聽到啊？OK，考 listening 就係咁樣噶，要好冷靜嘅，OK。好啦，跟住之後再嚟啦，下面有啲題目咧係會考學生 grammar 能力嘅，咁咧 mark 低佢啦。其實咧，我哋咧通常 task one 就好少嘅，即係嗱，我雖然寫咗落去就係少嘅，老實講。task two 多啲，task three 就最多。我重申係考你 grammar knowledge 嘅。即係換言之，你就算聽到個字都好，你識寫識串都好，唔代表你答得啱呢一分。記唔記得我講乜？咁大家就可能會問啦，喂，我點知邊條係考 grammar 啊？無啦啦，好易認嘅咋，寫低。例如第一，你見到有 full stop 嘅題目就一定係嘅啦。佢失驚無神唔會無啦啦 listening 題卷裏面有 full stop 㗎，有嗰條一定係。OK，咁通常係咩題型先至會有full stop 出現俾大家咧？例如 sentence completion 句子完整題，即係句子填充題、句子填充題、summary close 嗰啲嘅又係啦，橫線填充題。總言之，你見到無厘啦更，咦？點解咁講究咁着緊有個句子喺度嘅中間填充嘅咧？嗰啲一定係嘅啦，知唔知道啊？OK，好啦，由細學到大㗎，各位第一，如果呢度係有個 to infinitive 嘅話，咁我哋 to infinitive 後面要放咩形態落去啊？個動詞係放咩形態落去啊？if 係啦，廢話，即係不變啦，係咪？咁如果 has have 嘅話咧，PP 啦，好啦，如果中間嘟嘟嘟但嘅話咧。係啦，more 嗰啲啦，ER 嗰啲啦，係咪啊？明白就得啦。OK，好，寫低佢啦。啊，突然醒起仲有一個，即係你都識嘅啦，其實，不過都問下啦。如果你見到一個橫線前面 by 咧，係啦，in on at 咧，同樣道理後面都係要加，係啦，gerund 咯。明唔明我想問乜？嗯 好啦，我哋而家揀嚟做全班。嗱，我希望冇同你做過嚇，即係始終教咗你咁多年，有時有教過，真係冇辦法啦。但係我希望冇重複，好冇？好啦，咁一齊嚟啦！而家同我打開邊一度咧？我揀嚟做，一定因為反正一定做唔晒㗎啦。我哋 OK，我揀嚟做，好冇？首先嚟同我打開，我哋而家一齊去到就係筆記嘅第15、16頁先，係啦。嗱，中間 skip 嗰啲我哋唔做住，好冇？15、16頁全班。呢個係2022年，係啦。好啦，呢個係 task three 審題先全班。OK，佢話嘅而家係我哋有個要整個 YouTube video 咯，就係關於乜嘢咧？關於一個叫 Boleyn's Medicine Factory in Hong Kong。起碼知道啦，而家一個圍繞住主題同咩有關啊？工廠，仲要係咩嘅工廠啊？Medicine 即係中文係啦，藥物嗰啲啦，冇錯。OK，好，一齊審題嘅時候，即刻同我留意全班。有邊啲題目你哋係要注意？頭先我所講嘅，例如 grammar 啦，WTF 分別要諗嘅係嗰個嘅內容啦，嗰個嘅格式啦，同埋嗰個嘅即係grammar 啦，係咪啊？OK，好，1分鐘審題，記住啊，what 啦，tense 啦，同埋 format，問下自己啦，有咩注意啦？好嚟啦，審完啦嘛。好啦，首先啊，嗱唔係聽呢個啊，審就下我哋。首先第一個位置，你見到呢一個 task three 咧有啲特別嘅，有幾條題目係可以俾你點樣啊？純粹係 tick 或者係 MC 題。好啦，然後例如呢啲位置啦，頭先我講咗呢條橫線，你就咁望落去叫 target customer 啦嘛。what 內容廢話啦，一定係 customer 咯。咁然後好啦嚟啦，呢題冇聽聲廢話係咪啊？format 啦，問自己啊。咩詞性啊？起碼要知道嘅係 noun 啦，仲要應該大可能呢個 noun 係即係點講啦？係單定眾數應該冇錯。同頭先講咗呢個橫線長度答案，你同時講頂籠填幾多個字落去啊？應該係啦，叻啦，明唔明我講乜？好啦，咁然後我想問大家，頭先你審完題啦，請問有冇邊一條題目係要特別着重 grammar 嘅？有冇？點解冇咧？我想問。係啦，咧冇 full stop 啊嘛，你明唔明同？OK，咁然後又係講句啦，你望下呢個位置，condition 同埋 reason for maintaining this condition 呢個位置，橫線都係唔長㗎，都係嗰句呢個橫線嘅話，大概幾多個字之內一定收工我哋三嗱頂籠啊，三係好穩陣㗎啦，頂籠可能真係最極其量極啊五啊。真係極真係唔，因為你諗下，如果你多過5個字，填唔到落去嘅，其實明唔明呢個意思啊？OK，好，呢個係2022咩話？簡單嘅呢個 next 係啊 next，好啦，再嚟即唔係做話審啫，試下同我審一審第18頁，邊啲題目係要注重 grammar 今次？有冇邊一條特別要着重 grammar？唔係冇有嘅，少少都有着重嘅，邊題？30幾？少少啦，唔係話好多，但係要少少着重咯。35同埋咧36冇錯，點解啊？啱啊，因為你見到佢用咗嘅，例如係 to promote to attract，咁樣焗到你後面呢一格係放咩落去啊？所以 noun phrase 咯，全部一樣同啊，係咪啊？OK，好啦，跟住嚟啦，下面呢個少少提示，雖然都唔係做呢個主啊，但係少少提示。 37至43有咩 WTF？ 嗱，咁再嚟全部 W 先 ，what 呢個係填咩落去啊？要，即係我哋要填咩落去啊？內容上 suggestions 咯，同咩有關？PowerPoint 嘅我知 PowerPoint 嘅嗱，重點之類啦。呢個係同我哋嗰個 content 個 what 係好有密切關係嘅。識唔識揀咩叫 layout 先？大家排版啊嘛，PowerPoint 排版啊嘛。即時未播聲打之前，你哋就已經可以估計到一定聽嘅嘢係同咩有關啊？例如有咩關係啊？你幻想翻個 PowerPoint 先，佢個 layout 有啲咩嘢我哋可以注意，有啲咩可以改善啊？顏色仲有字體，繼續。聽唔到，size 你話你話咩啊？標題跟住咧啱，仲有繼續。你做過 PowerPoint，你睇過 PowerPoint，你一定知啦。做啲咩都係好影響你嘅觀感㗎。背景嘅係啦，圖片顏色啦，嗰啲視像嘅東西啦，明白啊？甚至乎啲老師中意升一下超嗰啲啦，扮嗰啲啦，好老土出嚟㗎，係咪啊？呢啲咪就係我頭先教大家 WTF 嘅 W 啊。再嚟啦 ，Cans 都應該冇啦，係咪？最後啦，format 咧。suggestions 呢個字嘅話，牽緊到我哋個 format 填落去嘅嘢，應該係咩詞性會穩陣啲啊？你覺得如果係 suggestions 嘅話，唔係 noun phrase。嗱，諗下咩叫 suggestions？全班建議啊嘛，建議之後有啲嘅動係啦，明唔明白？即係有啲嘅改動啊嘛，有啲嘅動作做出嚟噶嘛，係咪動詞為主啊？應該係咪啊？好啦，最後一個啦。嗱，我哋假設大膽假設係動詞片語先啦，好冇？好啦，啱啱講咗呢個題目有冇 full stop？冇，前後有啲咩？有冇嘢去牽引住你？冇，所以我哋全部化繁為簡，動詞乜嘢形態寫落去就一定啱啊？都唔使。最簡單穩陣一定係用咩形態啊？都唔使 to 啊，就咁乜嘢啊？infinitive base form 落去，全班明唔明我講乜嘢？即係就咁，例如我求其講過啦，add 加好啊，加 add 就咩？你唔使刻意 adding，唔使 to add，就咁 add，明唔明白？唔會錯㗎，的確都係嗰句，佢有冇嘢牽引住你？有冇特別嘅 grammar 嘅？冇啊嘛。咁等我咧一個大忌喎，你唔好第一題係 adding，第二題就 remove，明唔明白？第三題就咩好啊？rice 咁樣，即係題題都咩而家五顏六色咁啊嘛，係咪啊？驚唔驚到啊？好嘅，呢個都唔使你做，準備知明唔明我講乜嘢？全班明啦嘛？好啦，我反而想問一問先，全班翻轉頭，嗱，我驚我記性唔好，我想問大家11頁呢份，我同你做過未啊？其實呢一兩年嘅 DSE 裏邊。我同你中四五嘅時候有冇做過呢一年？有冇做過呢一題啊？一份冇，記性考記性冇就得啦。好啦，全班嚟啦。點解頭先特登 skip 咗呢個唔講住咧？即係點解而家先講呢份咧？因為呢份先至我係真正要做嘅嘢。但係不過呢份咧，我係唔會提水嘅，自己審題啦。OK，1分鐘開始。呢一版啊，全班11頁，唔好審錯隔離題啊！試一試音先。
Task 2.
書本台上聽唔聽到？
Listen to the second part of Brunch with Charlie, in which the host, Charlie Meadows, continues with his interview. Listen and fill in the missing information in the spaces below. You now have 30 seconds to study the task. At the end of the task, you will have 1 minute to tidy up your answers.
Now, Dr. Lee, you wanted to make a special announcement. Is that right?
Yes, that's right. As you said, the committee has just been set up, and we are looking for more people, more members of the general public to join the committee. So, I'm here to ask your listeners if they would be interested in getting involved in choosing a twin city for Hong Kong by coming onto the committee.
Can it be anyone?
Well, there are going to be 3 groups of people on the committee: politicians, students, and the general public. What were the exact numbers we are looking for, Lemmy?
Yes, we're looking for 5 students and 5 members of the general public.
Yeah, that's right. And we would be delighted if the listeners of your radio show applied.
Great. So what about students? Is it open to primary school students?
No, that's a bit young. It's open to secondary school students and university students.
So secondary school and university students, right?
That's right.
So what about the members of the general public? Any age limits?
Well, for the general public group, if you want to apply, you have to be retired.
Retired? Now that's what I call an age limit. Why so?
Well, one reason is that they have more time than people who are working.
Ah, you mean more time to attend the meetings?
No, not really. What I mean is time to do some research, that sort of thing. But more importantly, they have a lot of life experience to offer.
Oh, okay. So you senior citizens, if you're listening, we want you. Okay, and what kind of person are you looking for ideally?
Well, we are looking for 2 qualities in all the applicants.
Okay.
We are looking for someone with knowledge of Hong Kong.
Ah, I see. So they can share this knowledge of Hong Kong with the Twin City, right?
Yes. And the second quality is they should have a real enthusiasm for other cultures.
Yeah, I can see that, yes.
I mean, we'd really want to have people on board who have that, enthusiasm for cultures for other countries.
Great. Oh, I have another question. Do people applying for the committee have to be from Hong Kong?
Actually, no. They can be any nationality. As long as they have been living in Hong Kong for at least 3 years, that's fine.
I see. So open to any nationality, but must have been here for 3 years. Well, it all sounds awesome to me. So how do listeners apply for a place on the committee, and what's the deadline?
Lemmy, do you have the details there?
Yeah, applications are open now and they should be submitted online. The deadline is the 30th of June.
So online applications by the end of June.
Yes, that's right.
Gotcha. Wait a minute. You said politicians before. What about the politicians on the committee? Are you choosing them too?
Well, the politicians on the committee have already been chosen.
Already been chosen? Why is that?
Well, we want to represent all the political parties in Hong Kong.
Okay, I suppose that's fair to try to represent all the political parties.
Absolutely.
Okay, so many thanks to you both. And maybe we can have you back in the studio sometime in the future to tell our listeners which city was chosen.
Yes, that would be great.
That is the end of Task 2. You now have 1 minute to tidy up your answers.
OK，好啦，嗱呢個咧，大家發現到啦，係咪有好多嘢要注意啊？相比頭先嗰啲 task，所以我就想示範俾大家睇乜嘢咧？兩樣重點全班睇住，呢個係2017年嘅 task 嘅字係 two，但係其實頭先我同你睇嗰啲反而係 task 嘅，記唔記得 three 代表乜嘢？代表其實 task two 同 task three 所謂嗰個難度係咪真係一定成正比咧？即係個次係啦。即係唔一定 three 係難過 two，你明唔明我想講乜嘢？即係總言之，講真嘅，task two 同 three 其實已經係要即係全神貫注進入狀態㗎啦。好啦，同埋更加何況嘅，你要留意到嘅，其實 task two 反而係更加多一啲乜嘢嘅相關嘅內容啊，或者一啲咩嘅題目我先係。係啦，要留意個 grammar 嘅題目。而家問我全班一望就知啦，邊啲題目係一定要留意 grammar 嘅？請問邊題？一定㗎。16，仲有咧？啱都啱嘅。實仲有22，因為個咩字喺前面啊？have 啊嘛，即係對住我哋呢一格後面一定要用咩形態啊？係啦，全班頭先用個審題留意到 PP 啊，仲有邊題都係啱㗎啦。17，因為 to 後面所以用係啦 infinitive base form 啦，仲有邊個廿幾係啦，都係 have 都係 PP，全班認唔認同？係咪？好啦，跟住之後啦，其餘嘅東西嗰個考核嘅內容都係啦。WTF 嘅話，你哋頭先審題嘅時候要衡量㗎啦。咩叫衡量咧？起碼之例如啦，即係對答案之前啦，你齋審題都估到第14條一定係填緊咩嘅內容落去啊？數字係啦，全班認唔認同？再嚟15條，未播都估到你個答案一定係咩內容嘅字啊？呢個都係即係同咩有關啊？學生嘅啱啊咩啊？身份啊程度有關，全班明唔明白？再嚟下面啦，嗱更加容易啦。例如24條唔播都知道答案填咩落去啊？日期咯。23咧填一個咩落去啊？How 即是填一個。submission 喎，submission of application 喎，即係填一個 submission 遞交申請表嘅方法，咁又係啦，未播都估到遞交申請表有啲咩方法啊？我哋2025年啊，各位會唔會仲有條郵票去寄啊？唔會啦，通常都喺邊度交啊？係啦，我哋拍定手填定 online 落去啦，講真，係咪先啊？唔通by letter envelope 咩？係咪先啊？OK，好啦，咁嚟啦。開估之前，嗱我唔囉嗦啦，我哋慳啲時間好唔好？開估之前，我想問到大家一樣嘢，請問你哋有冇幾多中四五嘅時候教過你哋一個絕技？呢個絕技係幫大家聽答案係可以聽到2次出嚟嘅，係咩？指一淡仔姐姐，全班有冇印象？仲記得咩係淡仔姐姐嘅舉手？舉直啲，1、2、3、4、5、6個。OK，另外3個同學可能當時未補習，係咪？OK，咁啊，而家開估啦喎，直接問書啦嚇，嗱有波開一定答到我噶啦。Jackie 先啦，雖然感冒，淡仔姐姐係咩嚟㗎？因為講咗出嚟會有另外一份復讀翻，或者係講緊啲相似嘅嘢。代表住嗰個就係啦，全班聽唔聽到啊？即係代表住一個人講一次之後，會有另一個人再將嗰樣嘢講多次。咁樣嘅情況之下，復讀咗嘅話，嗰個一定係答案嚟嘅，有冇印象？教過。咁有陣時甚至乎唔使兩個人㗎，同一個人自己點樣㗎？中意係啦，再講一次都係一定答案嚟嘅。OK，咁我哋就問大家啦，頭先你哋聽呢個嘅 listening 嘅時候，有冇留意到有冇出現過呢個情況啊？一定有嘅，嗱有嘅，我而家開估之前啦，唔囉嗦，直接問先啦。邊幾條有重複過？有冇少少印象？deadline 有重複過係咪？100分。佢最重複得嚟，佢唔係讀翻同一個字，佢點樣重複記唔記得？直接講日期，另一個人咧係啦，另一個人 the end of，大家有冇少少印象？好啦，除咗 deadline，仲有邊題都係重複咗嘅，我肯定佢有重複。nationality 嗰度，佢重複咗2次，其實係咩？所謂嘅 nationality 其實係咩 nationality 啊？即係其實係咪真係一個國籍講出嚟啊？唔係啊，佢答案係乜嘢記唔記得？唔係記唔記得？你頭先填咩落去啊？咁係啦，個答案就係咩啊？Annie 咯 any 任何啊嘛，頭先有講噶嘛，係咪？好啦，跟住仲有嘅，如果我冇記錯啊嚇，其實咧佢仲有應該係第17啊定19啊，佢都係有重複過嘅。佢未必係真係完全成個字一模一樣重複，但係佢所講嘅字眼都一定係非常之相近，內容係非常之相似嘅。好唔 OK？哇，sorry，199聽唔聽？詐唔詐騙？有聽啊！咩叫八卦喺佢講？好，嚟聽下。Hello。Hello。
我係健康醫療服務
唔知乜咁硬係咁多健康醫療中心嘅身體檢查啲嘅。好啦，咁嚟啦，開估啦，攞支紅筆出嚟全班，一支紅筆，一支綠色筆有冇？或者紅筆加黑筆啦，你中意啦吓 OK。而家嚟啦，我係直接對答案，再加埋話俾你知邊啲位置係重複，邊啲位置係即係咩嘅，即係嗰個叫咩？嗰個東西嘅 OK。好啦，咁就係呢度。其實我應該有個 version 係有，你哋俾多10秒我先。我應該有一個 version 係我有做埋啲 marking 喺度嘅。而家幾月啊？10月啦，10月啦已經。時間真係過得快。都冇喎。咁算啦，寫住先啦，各位嚟啦，呢度 mark 住前面少少先。我係有嘅，我唔知係邊份筆記錄啫，其實。anyways， 第一個啊咩啊？第一個係聽，大家記唔記得？佢有冇讀過聽俾你？點解佢冇講10冇㗎？佢哋點樣講記唔記得？5個。係啦，5個再加5個啊嘛，咪玩嘢啊！5加5嘅大佬，5加5，OK。跟住一樣啦，呢個位置 secondary students or older，使唔使填 university 落去？係唔使㗎。嗱，你聽係有 university 記唔記得？但係你寫落去使唔使？唔使，因為點解？有個咩字喺度？係啦，所以就我講同你講，審題要審得清楚就咁解啦，全班。好啦，見到打剔喺度啊，剔代表咩？知唔知道？剔代表呢一個字係有重複咗嘅 secondary 嘅重複。好啦 ，age 全班一定中晒伏㗎啦。你哋本來以為 age 一定填咩啊？歲數啦，點知原來玩嘢係 must be 㗎，加咁咩落去啊 ？retired 啊，退休的一樣啦。ED 全班識㗎啦，唔使我解啦，係咪啊？好啦 ，more time 全頭先講咗個 verb 係 base form 啊嘛 ，more time to do some research。或者嗱，或者你有選擇係 more time to 就咁 research。點解啊？因為咁啱得咁巧 ，research 呢個字同一個串法其實都可以係咩嚟㗎？動詞，即係都係代表你做一啲嘅研究，係嘛？明唔明白我講乜？好啦，下面啦 ，reason to life experience to offer 嗱，留意啦，括弧代表可以唔使寫 ，experience 都可以唔使你俾 s 啦，個核心係 life experience 就得啦。living experience 問啲喎仔，我幫你 check 下啦，唔得啦，人哋 life experience 啊，記唔記得啊 ？OK，俾多10秒我得唔得？我覺得我係真係有一個 version 我係有 mark 嘅，但係我唔知點解我唔見咗而家，陰公有冇啊？都係得一半，唉，算啦，可能我真係冇 mark 過，算啦，咁啊睇呢度版本啦。好啦，下面嚟啦，嗱，有話你睇啦，同一題目有幾多個 version 嘅答案啦？全班多過一個，但係其實望真啲答案嘅意思係點樣㗎？同一樣嘢嚟㗎。嗱，我就以呢個為例，全班19為例，唔好睇下面住，等陣，你唔好睇下面住，就以19為例，佢讀咧，如果你記得嘅話咧，係 knowledge of Hong Kong，記唔記得？佢讀係呢個啊嘛。我就想教大家，考 listening 其中一個嘅少少嘅即係擦手鐧，你真係要記住。我當你一時三刻醒唔起點串 knowledge，真係啊！你識呢個字，但有時真係醒唔起點串啊嘛，好慘噶嘛。咁但係不過咧，呢個情況真係你哋唔好夾硬嚟拼，唔好夾硬串，反而係你明知 knowledge， 你知道係解作即係香港嘅知識啊嘛，香港嘅認知啊嘛，咁你就可以將入邊做乜嘢咧？名詞轉翻動詞俾我啦。Know a lot about Hong Kong 都有分，你記唔記到啊？係嘛？呢個其實咧唔係我作嘅，係考評局講到明嘅。 OK，所以你哋要知道操卷嘅作用就係話俾你知，原來根據 past paper 經驗，英文科係可以咁樣都攞到分喎。咁換言之，照翻轉喎，你考呢2026年 DSE，你考嗰日你成日幾多金堂講過？咦，個字你聽到死啦！哎呀，即係大真係唔識串，但係不過你識個字，將佢變翻做乜嘢？試下轉做乜嘢啊？動詞咯，明唔明白？甚或仲有一個可能性係咩啊？真係再 extreme 啲，你識個字嘅意思，但係識唔識串嘅話，你可以直情將佢變做一個咩嘢啊？同義詞咯，都有機會有分咯，係咪啊？OK，好，再嚟後面呢個就係極端呢個例子有經典嘅 enthusiastic 或者 enthusiasm，interest 或者 interested。嗱，又考大家記性先，錄音帶係講邊個字 enthusiasm 啊嘛，錄音帶有冇讀過其他啲字俾你聽㗎？冇㗎，各位親愛的，但係你見到考評局話都有分，所以點解我成日都提大家？如果你記得嘅話，我成日都提你 enthusiastic 呢個字，點解我成日同你講要識串啊？係咪啊？我話考過㗎嘛，冇話你哋就係考過咯。嗱，同一原理啦 ，enthusiasm， 哇死啦！突然一時三刻又係唔知點算嘅 asm 喎，大佬，喂唔緊要，我記得學過 enthusiastic， 小抄，咪即轉出嚟掂。cultures, other countries cultures 掂，有冇到？好，下一題啦。nationality 係 any， 但係一定要點樣 must have 咩嘢 ？must have lived in Hong Kong for 3 years 係啦，搞掂。好啦，跟住下面啦。application 首先講咗係拍定手先啦，唔聽都知道係咩嘢啊？online 嗱，你呢題都錯，你真係 online 嘅，同你講啊嚇，各位唔好 online line 啊嚇，OK。好啦，咁然後再嚟啦，下面 deadline 咧幾時啊？係啦，嗱，我就係想講，假如你聽嗰下，你係好猶豫，首先死啦 30th 係30定13咧？有時聽嗰下係有啲好問㗎嘛，係咪啊？個 N 音有定冇好需要，考完佢特登讀好相似啊！30th of June 咁啊 30th of June 咁，咁點算啊？頭先講咗啦，淡姐姐出現咗啦，記唔記得個救星係乜嘢啊？個救星就係話 end of June，咁你知係 end 嘅大佬，6月乜嘢啊？6月尾啊嘛，咁6月尾會唔會寫13啊？係嘛？聰明少少啦，各位係咪啊？兩個答案都得。好啦，下面啦 ，politicians have 乜嘢 have 嗱呢個直情咧唔單止考你 PP 啊，考埋你 passive voice，細個學過嘅嘢咁樣樣啦。要用 PP passive voice 嘅話，要加個咩字喺度先啦？中二已經教過你哋噶啦 ，have been chosen， 同要係 been chosen 啊。你寫 been chosen 都0分喎，been chosen 都0分喎，一定要 been chosen 先至攞分。最後啦，原因係乜嘢？ represent 到 all political parties 咯，或者 represent 到 different political parties 咯 in Hong Kong。跟翻到呢個，好啦，跟到呢個嘅話咧，就係同你做一個好快嘅即係重溫啦，就係呢版啦。頭先講過一次啦，全班呢度14頁啦，全班。好忙我都，再開個先。好啦，14頁呢個就係乜嘢咧？全班寫低佢啦，就係淡姐姐姐啦。淡姐姐姐定係其實我教過噶啦，我唔囉嗦啦。總言之，記住寫低晒啲重點，全班重複字眼等於答案，一定要寫低。重複字眼等於答案，唔使講。講完一次，可能中間有一兩句吹水話，之後再講一次 same answer， 重複答案，重複字眼等於答案。識㗎啦，學呢招嗱，新同學今年先報都好啦，都要記住呢個 skill 啦，知唔知啦？總之聽到重複就一定係答案嚟㗎啦，好唔 OK？好啦，咁但係不過咧，有陣時咧係會唔係不過，有陣時係會即係仲好嘅係乜嘢咧？佢會講埋嗰個嘅串法俾你聽嘅，講埋串法俾你聽嘅話，例如 Sydney、Trolley、Double L 串埋俾你嘅，唔使諗㗎，100% 係答案嚟嘅。仲有一個暗號係乜嘢咧？就係等我抄低先。英文 Let me make a note of that. Let me write it down。總言之，如果你聽到嗰個嘅聆聽裏面嗰個音樂，等我寫低先。顧名思義，寫低啦，即係提你哋啦。唔係提自己，唔知佢唔係提自己寫低，係提俾佢寫低啊。 係你自己睇下傻仔，知唔知道啊 ？OK，好，有一樣嘢要學嘅係咩嚟嘅咧？就係、第一格，就係、叫做咧 modification of answers，寫低佢全班 indirect answer。例子去探仔食嘢係咪啊？寫低首先你講嗌飲嘢凍檸茶，凍檸茶啦，好簡單 answer one 係咪？你寫咗凍檸茶㗎啦噃。好啦，點知講一講之後，唔好啊，唔係唔好有知唔知叫咩啊？有嘢改有嘢改乜嘢嘢啊？我想要少甜走冰，係嘛？即係本身嗰個落單個探仔姐姐寫咗凍檸茶，然後佢就會而家知道要修正嘅寫咩落去啊？少甜同埋走冰。咁然後真正攞張單去俾廚房，嗰張單個答案要係寫乜嘢啊？係完整版本，完整版本即是乜嘢啊？全班係凍檸茶少甜走冰，明唔明白我講乜嘢？咁呢個我想講，每年如果出有啲修正題目嘅話咧，命中率都係低過30%。點解？因為70% 嘅人就已經寫咗咩落去就法定酒啦，以為凍檸茶，以為問論嘅下一題，點知原來要少甜走冰，記唔記得我講乜？嗱，我可以大膽同大家推斷，唔多，每年都真係唔多，少過30% 嘅機會。但係你哋唔可以冇呢一個嘅警惕之心俾自己，隨時出現，知唔知道？呢版教晒啦，全班有冇嘢再問？冇啦。好啦，攞住呢套技術，我哋今堂做多一個練習，好冇？好啦，做邊度？就係、做我哋嘅下面，sorry， 21頁打大佬。好啦，21頁大家望唔望到呢一個係 task 幾啊？嗱，一堂清啊，listen 我哋唔好錯啦，各位，一堂清呢個係 task 4。task 4有咩特別？呢度第一你見到全部題目嘅橫線都係點樣㗎？一嘢長到最盡，知唔知有啲咩嘅陰濕位？考評局條橫線出到最盡，但係有機會代表答案可以係真係長嘅句子形式啦。但其實亦都有機會只係點樣咧？好短嘅，所以記住全班呢一個 task 4橫線長度唔代表乜嘢嘅，佢只係個份卷嘅設題上佢要拉到最盡嘅啫。第二 task 4嘅時候，其實佢有一啲嘅題型咧，嗱咁當然嗱，你望下先，當然咁如果41俾2條你嘅，即係當然長啦，廢話係咪啊 ？OK，我意思係你同我特別留意咩咧？42至46呢啲係咩嚟嘅咧？table 題目 table 裏面淨係得個橫線點點喺度，一樣啦，冇一啲乜嘢嘅，即係所有嘅嗰啲嘅所謂嘅左右嘅線索，唯獨有一條要注意嘅邊條？45，因為中間有個咩度 because 由細口到大 because 下面一定係放咩嘅結構啊？SVO 係啦，明白 ？OK， 好啦，再望下面一樣啦。positive negative， 咦一樣啦，問下自己有冇規限啊？冇喎，兩條橫線仔啫喎，係咪啊？再嚟啦，呢度52又係句子填充題，中間夾住咗 must have felt， 微播都知道 must have felt 呢一格一定填咩落去？ adjective 仲要係咩嚟嘅？人嘅 feelings， 然後 because 一樣 SVO。好，審題呢度嚟啦，1分鐘。好啦，就香港呢個位置全班 task 4嘅特色只有橫線，很少 keywords， 明唔明白我講乜？尤其是 table 題目，頭先正如我所講啦，淨係有咩啫度 positive、negative 係咪啊？咁唯有嘅參考嘅乜嘢全班，真係要參考嘅就係睇下佢啲題目嘅呢啲位置啦。即係例如啦，Why did Albert go to Shanghai? How did Albert end up in Hong Kong？你真係唯有透過睇條題目嘅內容去消化，從而去即係知道陣間要聽嘅東西係關於啲乜嘢嘢咯。咁同埋睇一個位置 WTF 唔該，呢個字就得揀咗 did 之時注意嘅係乜嘢嘢啊？終於要注意嘅係咩啊？tenses 啦，係咪啊？都 past tense 啊嘛，係咪啊？OK， 好，咁做呢個之前咧，有一樣嘢想同大家補充嘅，就係前面呢版。17頁第3格，記住 task 3-4咧講埋先做啊。task 3-4咧，我教過啦，大家有冇印象啊？我成日講啊，當聽故事啊，唔該，一定要記住，你當聽故事咁聽，你吸收到嘅嘢一定係最多嘅。把握黃金1分鐘，將你頭先所摘錄嘅嘢同自己嘅記憶推斷翻最合理嘅答案。記得幾多就寫幾多，最緊要有 keyword 出現，言之成理就有機會得分。用自己文字作答可以，唔好漏空。記住，尤其是 task 3-4，你就咁聽我夠膽講肯定㗎啦。你就咁聽嘅時候咧，你未必可以一路聽一路寫晒所有嘢，因為你有陣時係會有少少嘅猶豫就死啦。抄呢句定抄嗰句好咧，即係你掙扎緊嘅嘛。所以我頭先就啱啱就係話，你一定要當聽一個故事先，你俾自己嘅心理就係、我聽一個故事先。咦，聽到佢哋發生咩事情喎？聽到頭先即係整嗰個人佢分享自己當時點點點喎。我記得啲嘢㗎嘛，你當故仔聽咗㗎嘛。你之後播完聲帶都好啦，1分鐘黃金時間，將你所寫嘅嘢，再你記得嘅嘢寫翻推斷合理嘅答案就得㗎啦。OK。好，咁嚟啦，各位，呢個同埋佢先落堂啦。今日我哋呢個2022年 Task 4講工廠嘅嚇，工廠
Task 4.
呢個啦呢啲。
3 minutes to tidy up your
So, how was your interview with Albert Wan then?
It was great, to be honest. He was telling me that he worked in the same toy factory, Macro Toys, in Kwun Tong, for almost 30 years. He was born in a tiny village in China, and because his family didn't have much, he decided to go to Shanghai, like a lot of people did, in search of a better life.
Yeah, it's a very common story in China at that time.
And it was there he got 3 months of training to learn to make toys in a factory.
And presumably he then came to Hong Kong because of the war or something.
No, it was after that. He said that he came with all of his friends from the factory in Shanghai. The representatives of Macro Toys came from Hong Kong to Shanghai, and they recruited about 100 of them in Shanghai, paid for their ship fare, and took them to Hong Kong.
Wow, can you imagine? All of your friends together off to Hong Kong. Must have been a big adventure.
Yeah.
And did Albert give a sense of how he felt towards his employers, the factory owners, Macro Toys, and how he was treated?
Well, he talked about his salary and the additional benefits workers received. He did say that, initially at least, they were paid a really small amount, but he explained that the additional benefits really helped them save a lot of the money they did make. So the additional benefits were really important.
So what do you mean by additional benefits? Do you mean like fringe benefits? Like health insurance and bonuses, that sort of thing?
Well, sort of. The first additional benefit he mentioned was that the factory provided dormitories for them to stay in. This is more or less unheard of in Hong Kong nowadays, but factory dormitories were common back then. And interestingly enough, he spoke about the importance of the canteen. So all the workers got free food. So that was an additional benefit and really important.
And you said that this changed?
Yes, well, for Albert at least. He was promoted to being a manager eventually, and so he ended up with quite a comfortable salary.
And did the benefits change?
Well, he said that as the workforce became more established in Hong Kong, people started having families, so the factory actually built flats for the families to live in for free.
That's interesting. You do still see old blocks of flats built by factories in Hong Kong.
Yeah, Albert also talked quite a lot about what it was like to actually work in the factory, the good and the bad things.
I see. I mean, we hear of some horror stories about factory working conditions in Hong Kong.
Yeah, and this was pretty interesting. He spoke about working for 12 hours in a row, standing up. So that was pretty tough.
Indeed, that does sound tough, especially standing.
But he did say that they had great conversations with the people as they worked for 12 hours together. There was a great atmosphere among them. He loved the banter, the conversations, the jokes between them. He did emphasise that.
And what else?
He spoke about the great pride in the toys they were making and how he was proud to be making toys that made children happy.
Interesting. You forget that factory workers have that sense of pride in what they're doing.
So yeah, that was interesting to hear. Oh, and I almost forgot. He said in the summer the heat was unbearable because there were no windows and no aircon in the factory, of course. So it was incredibly hot where they were working.
Sounds awful. And did you ask him about accidents in the factory? There must have been loads.
Yes, Albert said that he didn't remember any. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Either Albert is telling the truth and there were no accidents at the factory and Macro Toys had the best safety record in Hong Kong,
Yeah, right. Or the world.
or his memory is failing and he can't remember because it's so long ago. He is in his 80s. But I don't think that's it because his memory was perfectly fine with everything else. Maybe he wants to be loyal to the factory and the owners and just not tell us.
Exactly. I think you're right. He didn't want to tell you because he was being loyal to the factory and the owners.
Yeah, and speaking of which, he spoke about when the factory closed down and how he felt about it.
Oh, really?
Yes, he was a manager by the time that the factory closed down. Quite successful, you might say. So when the factory closed, everybody in the factory, all the workers, lost their job, but he was kept on, but not as a manager, but as a security guard, guarding the empty factory building.
And that's quite a picture. Going from being a manager with all the noise and activity and his friends and colleagues to being alone, guarding an old, empty factory.
Yeah, I know. But he still stays in touch with the other factory workers he worked with.
Does he? That's good.
Yeah, a really interesting old guy, Albert.
That is the end of Task 4 and of Part 3A. You now have 3 minutes to complete your answers to Task 4 and to tidy up all your other answers.
記住啦，而家就係黃金1分鐘。頭先聽到嘅嘢，再加自己嘅記憶、故事嘅東西，填翻落去啦。 好啦，得未？開估咯喎，嗱，正如頭先所講啦，冇呃大家啦，呢一個位置係咪好多都係一啲即係真係透過內容你要消化咗先填得出嚟嘅東西？Task Four 好明顯有一個特色咧，大家都應該知道啦，佢就唔係嗰啲咧，即係擺明居馬嚟啦，答案寫啦，唔係嘅。你係聽完嗰句之後，哦，消化到啦，係嘛？跟住先至寫翻出嚟嘅。就唔係嗰啲默書形式啊，填啊喎咁樣冇嘅，啱唔啱啊？好啦，跟住頭先我都有佢啦。頭先我教過大家嘅，你要聽到個故事形式上咧，就係好多人係消化咗先，係咪啊？消化咗之後，然後再聽翻出嚟。OK，好啦，時間關係又係啦，我哋直接對落去啦，好嘛？攞支紅筆出嚟啦，唔囉嗦啦。先對頭兩題，發現原來玩嘢嘅。玩乜嘢嘢咧？第41題，條橫線咁鬼長，原來係好簡單，三個英文字 recruited by factory 就得㗎啦。嗱，都係嗰句啊，全班，你唔一定同我嘅用字係完全相同，你有大概意思我都俾翻你哋㗎啦。例如點樣咧？嗱，即係例如呢個，我想模擬俾大家咩？我自己做呢份卷嘅時候咧，我就會填 recruited by factory 三個字，因為我肯定啱㗎嘛，我自己知道意思一定啱㗎嘛。但係考評局嘅答案咧，原來係可以咁樣嘅。你啊唔好偷睇下面住啊，淨係睇，即係淨係睇呢度。嗱，你先望下，你試下睇下41咯。Recruited by factory, recruited by employers representatives. Ship fare was paid by factory. 得，即係你見到其實佢係有幾個唔同嘅 alternatives 俾大家。係嘛？都係嗰句啦，因為其實佢係有講出嚟噶嘛，佢有呢個意思噶嘛，咁其實就有分嘅啦，知唔知道啊 ？OK，好啦，跟住再嚟啦，下面呢度 salary 啦，係解人工 ，small amount low 都得嘅，即係少人工啦，簡單啲講係咪啊？好啦，然後啦 additional benefits 啊，即係講緊就係啲額外嘅好處啦，或者一啲額外嘅即係福利啦，叫做福利中文係啦，記住有免費食物啦。有 dormitory 啊，宿舍啊呢個字解作，有冇人啱呢條啊？舉手，係咪唔識串啊？係咯，唔識串唔識解咯，啱唔啱啊？好啦，下面啦 later 之後變得 comfortable 啦 ，because he was promoted to manager。佢之後嘅人工係合理嘅、舒服嘅，點解？因為佢就被晉升到成為經理啦。咁然後甚至乎有啲乜額外嘅福利咧，仲正有免費嘅屋俾你住啊 ，free flat。咦，有剔好喎，點解啊？各位重複咗啦，嗱係咪有印象啊 ？free flat 係咪重複咗啦先？好啦，跟住下面呢度咧又係啦，即係跟住下面呢條咧又係好經典嘅全班。呢度咧 positive things、negative things 啊，我直接問先啦。negative things 嘅位置，大家見到佢講咗啲咩出嚟啊？嚇，大聲啲 negative。Have you worked 12 hours 係咪 ？Jackie 咧
They have to
stand
stand
up for 12 hours
during work.
during working。OK，咁仲有一個 negative 係乜嘢？No air conditioners when working in summer。好啦，開估啦喎，各位睇住啦喎。答案第一 positive 係 great conversations with workers， 傾偈好好啦。12 hours standing， 嗱呢個就係嗰個嘅重點啦。佢頭先講咧係講12 hours in a row standing 噶嘛，係咪？咁不過咧考評局就覺得咧太難啦，由你哋啦，就咁12 hours standing 都有分啦。其實咩叫 in a row 啊？連續係啦。再嚟啦，下面呢個位置好多人都錯嘅，寫低佢。No aircon 可以啦，跟住最緊要嘅係咩咧？係 in summer。有好多人係就咁寫 no aircon 嘅，我知道。呢個就頭先我所講嘅乜嘢嘅比喻啊，記唔記得？凍檸茶跟住咧，小甜咩走冰嗰個比喻啊，係嘛？即係如果淨係寫 no aircon 嘅話咧，你淨係攞到前面嗰節，你冇留意到原來要有後面嗰個答案出嚟，明唔明白 ？OK？ 好啦，跟住再嚟啦，唔係一題。點解佢話唔記得有任何意外嘅？其實佢係純粹 being loyal to factory owners 咯，即係佢係對嗰個嘅工廠或者對嗰個嘅僱主咧係表示忠誠咯。好啦，最後呢度啦，就係乜嘢咧？He must have felt，問下大家啦，must have felt 乜嘢嘢啊？請問 happy， 哇，人嚟嘅呢個，呢一個咧就考下大家佢嘅嗰個嘅感覺係點樣樣啦？佢係可以感到 happy 嘅，但係原因係乜嘢先？人性嘅考驗啊，呢個就係、因為佢幾衰格，其他人都失去工作，但係佢仲係可以做到 security，所以佢好開心係咪？呢啲咧真係唔得啊！你咁樣真係唔係錯，係啱嘅，但係個人性就比較險惡啦。有冇其他答案？大家係啦。其實應該快嘅，反而係 lucky，因為點解啊？佢最少都點啊？仲有份工咯，仲有咩其他答案 ？joyful 點解先？點解啊 ？Because 咩嘢？
因為佢冇得份工。
仲攞住份工係啦，大概呢個意思。仲有冇其他答案？你哋 sad 點解？員工冇嘢做，OK，閃咗咧？點解 disappointed 啊？記得冇嘢做，OK。所以其實呢條題目咧，某程度上咧係考緊大家人性心理嘅。睇下如果係一個幸災樂禍嘅人啦，定係一個有同理心嘅人啊？嚇，OK 嗱，冇同理心嘅呢個人擺明係咪啊？馮子欣寫咩落去 ？upset 因為乜嘢 ？OK，好，開估全班。人性嘅考驗嚟啦，睇下你哋係咩人啊嚇？OK，嗱。你可以話佢哋係 sad 嘅，因為佢咧其實做咗幾廿年啊，朋友冇晒工作啊，冇得叫咩啦。可以話佢 lonely 嘅，因為佢好 empty，做一個 security guard 啦。亦都最後你可以話佢係 happy 嘅，因為佢仲有份工。嗱，但係不過重點就嚟啦，你唔能夠話佢 felt happy because his friends lost jobs，咁係真係一定唔得嘅，咁係真係賤格到不得了㗎嚇！全班聽唔聽到 ？OK，Angel 你唔係咁寫啊嘛？第一句係咁寫，唔係嘛？喂，咁有冇轉到啊？哇！真係嗱，唔好啊！你冇理由開心，因為啲朋友冇晒工作，咁樣啊！即係你係要前文後理係配對到嘅，知唔知啊 ？OK，好，咁今日講到呢度先。嗱，Super 仔聽住啊！你幾個尤其是即係唔計除低希啦，咦？點解走咗啲人已經 Super 走咗嘅點解？喂，竟然走咗佢哋喂，堂都未落都走咗去係咪？咩事啊？我睇到啲乜嘢啊？OK，咁冇嘢啦，拜拜，下堂見。喂，尊重。